Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be installing a GT4 carbon fiber lip on my BMW M3. Alright guys, so ABS Auto Body sent this GT4 lip out to me. As you guys can see, it's made out of full carbon fiber. So we're going to be installing this on the front bumper today. What we're going to go ahead and do right now is actually get this up in the air on the quick jack. Remove the front rim so we can get a hold of the bolts to the bumper. Remove the front bumper, and then from there we'll go ahead and get the lip installed. Alright guys, so we got the front bumper off of the car, as you guys can see. So basically right now we're just trying to see where the best fitment would be on this. Alright guys, so we've been test fitting the lip just to pretty much see where the bolts go so that this way we have the best fitment. But we're gonna end up having a bolt on the inner that's right here, so it'll go through the back. We have a bolt right here and another one right here, same thing with that side, and then we'll have one right here in the corner. So once we get those bolts in, we'll go ahead and put 2 more screws right here to hold up the middle, and then from there I think we should be good. But yeah, let's go ahead and try and see how this goes. Alright guys, so Federico's just drilling the holes for the lip so we can get everything bolted in. So we got all of the holes drilled out. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down so we can get the lip on, and then from there we'll go ahead and throw the bumper on and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so all of our side bolts fit perfect besides the inner where the mouth is, so we're just gonna go ahead and make them a little bit bigger, and then it should actually work out perfect. Alright guys, so we just got the front lip on the front bumper. Everything is hanging on super good, so it's not gonna go anywhere. The bumper would literally have to fly off the car for the lip to come off. But anyways, as you guys can see, car looks really good. Just gonna go ahead and get the front bumper back on the car, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, so we just got the front bumper all thrown on. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is get the car off the lift right now, pull it outside, and we'll see what it looks like. This lift is so useful too, bro. I'm so happy with it. You wanna kick those real quick, the lockers? I'll kick this one over here. So convenient. And for those of you guys who are wondering, yes, these do have lockers, so you can work under the car and it will not fall. Been getting a lot of questions about that. How's the front look? Sheesh! Looks good, bro. Hell yeah. Sweet, came out super good, as you guys can see. The only thing, dude, is, oh my god, it's so low though. Literally like 3 inches off the ground and it's stock. But damn, it makes such a big difference, huh? Looks super good, hell yeah. Alright guys, so I just pulled out the Beamer out of the shop. I do have the AMG, so we're gonna go ahead and park the AMG back in shop, and then we have Major Waves Beamer that we're working on as well. So Definitely stay tuned. We got a lot going on. Sheesh, this thing is such a beast. This is the second time I'm wrapping this car, the AMG that I'm in right now. This car has only been wrapped for like 3 months, and then the owner hit me up and asked me to rewrap it a different color. So doing a full color change on this one. We got Federico over here in Major Waves car. Hey! Such a nice car, love this AMG. Alright guys, so before me and Federico get out of here, I want to give a huge shout out to Unwrapped. They were kind enough to send me out a care package. They sent me out some gloves, some of their custom squeeze you guys can see here, super high quality. But I'll go ahead and link their Instagram down below so you guys can go ahead and give them a follow, check out what they have. They have all types of wrap tools. Their gloves are super sick as well. But yeah, give them a follow. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start unwrapping the GTS right now. So as you guys know, it is currently wrapped in a satin black. Original color is a gloss black. I'll show you guys right here. Federico went ahead and started unwrapping it already. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up really quickly, unwrap the whole car. Shouldn't take us long. The car's only been wrapped for 3 months and it's already back in shop for another rewrap. So should probably only take us like maybe an hour and a half or so. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and let's go ahead and start unwrapping it. Alright guys, so it is currently 1:13 and we're gonna go ahead and start unwrapping the GTS. Alright guys, so it's 1:46 and we just finished unwrapping the GTS. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it in really quickly so that this way we can get it up on the lift, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and start the disassembly process. Alright guys, so the GTS is up in the air. Me and Federico are about to go ahead and start the teardown process. So as you guys can see, there is some damage up on the front end as well the fender. Story with this car, the owner actually ended up purchasing the car wrapped, and when he unwrapped it, he actually noticed all of the damage. So the front end, me and Federico actually wet sanded it before we ended up wrapping it in satin black. If you guys go back and watch our other video, of course, owner's permission. But yeah, so me and Federico are gonna go ahead and pretty much just start tearing it down and get it ready for wrapped. We'll come first thing in the morning and we'll go ahead and start wrapping it. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this vlog. I truly appreciate every one of you guys that have stayed and watched the whole videos. Also, hope you guys are enjoying the every other day uploads. I've been on it, so. But also, a lot of you guys have reached out to me regarding my wrap classes. I'll go ahead and reach out to you guys back within the next week or so. It's got quite a bit going on this week, and I want to go ahead and send you guys all the correct info and stuff like that, so this way you guys know what we'll be doing in class. Other than that, stay tuned for the next video. It'll be a full wrap on the AMG GTS that we just disassembled in this one. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.